So here we are, Bridal Falls, wintertime in Rocky Mountain National Park. I'm standing on it right now. There's a bunch of snow a couple of days ago, so yeah, pretty much the entire waterfall's snow covered, but it's all right. We're not gonna hang out here too long. I'm gonna throw some micro spikes on, drink some water, and head on back. But our total mileage and elevation gain was... We did this hike to Bridal Falls via the Cow Creek Trailhead in Rocky Mountain National Park. It is still located inside the park boundaries. You drive past some private property. The road is gravel. We made it in my two-wheel drive with snow tires, but I would have probably felt more comfortable in an all-wheel drive vehicle. Weather today has been dump snow, stop, dump some more snow, stop a little bit, but it's mid-afternoon right now. Can't really tell because the sun's hidden behind the snow. Temperature's not too bad. This is our second hike of the day. We did a snowshoe hike to Emerald Lake earlier. We just used our winter hiking boots from Cow Creek Trailhead all the way up to the falls. It's kind of weird with the recent snowfall. The snow is kind of packed down, but then again, it kind of isn't. So micro spikes aren't really that useful until you get closer to Bridal Falls, where the elevation gain starts picking up. There's some slick spots, but today most of it was covered in snow. Not a lot of people on the Cow Creek Trail today, although there's really not a lot of parking spots either. I think the max cars that can fit at that trailhead are maybe around 10 to 15. There's signs everywhere that say don't park on the side of the road, so parking's very limited. This hike is in the Lumpy Ridge area. You can also access Bridal Falls from Lumpy Ridge Trailhead, the same trailhead that you can access Gem Lake from. It's gonna probably add close to 2 more miles round trip though. Views out here are okay, I guess. They're not the best in Rocky Mountain National Park by any means, but if you're looking to get away from some of the big crowds, then this is definitely a great trail to do so. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, go ahead and leave me a like. That'll help the channel greatly. If you've been out here before, leave a comment. Love to hear about your experience on this trail. Subscribe for more hiking videos. That's all for today. Until the next hike, I'm Dave Spates, hiking, adventure, photography.